Are you looking for a inexpensive way to increase the versatility of a survival kit, bushcraft kit, or even a hunting kit? I've got something to show you. This right here weighs less than an ounce. You can get a 3-pack for about $1, and you can buy it almost anywhere. This is jute twine, and it is not as strong as 550 cord or bank line, but for its weight, it's tough to beat. It comes in a variety of sizes. You got this more heavy-duty stuff here, more of a rope. You got some medium weight stuff, and the stuff that I'm focusing on today, this light-duty small bundle here. Jute makes an excellent addition to any fire kit. You can fluff it up like this. It makes an excellent tinder and catches a spark very, very well. You can also soak it in wax and use it as a flame extender. Now if you soak it in wax, you can also, or oil, you can also use it as an improvised wick for a lamp. Now you can use this to make light duty repairs on clothing or equipment. You can also use it as a just regular cordage to hang items like food bags or possibly clothing if you're drying it. You can also cut it up into small pieces and add it to pine resin or other glues to make a fiber-infused epoxy-like substance. It's very good to use in shelter building for securing thatch to roofing material or bundling together material to make a bedding, or to bundle stuff together to make a ground blind like foliage and vegetation. It's a lot quicker than making your own cordage in a pinch. Now using this light-duty, lightweight cordage that's inexpensive saves your heavy-duty 550 cord or bank line for more robust tasks. Things like making a bow saw or a bow drill or securing the frame of your shelter together. It just extends your capabilities for very little weight and cost. So being made of a biodegradable material, it won't be around for decades to come, causing issues. In my opinion, this stuff really is great to carry in the field, and I generally put one of these or two of these in just about every kit and vehicle I have. And for the same price as one roll of 550 cord or bank line, it's inexpensive to put a couple rolls in every kit or every vehicle that you have. So let me know what you think. For the price and the weight, is it worth it? Would you carry this? Let me know in the comments. So I thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. It's also made of a also being made of a natural material. It'll degrade and